So this is a yucca that's growing really, really well, and lots and lots of healthy growth here. I don't know if you can see, if you look up a little bit, all these shoots here, and some lovely fairy lights as well. But it's leaning over a little bit too much here. So this might look a bit drastic, but we're going to cut this back right back to here with my trusty loppers. Now, in the words of Blue Peter, here's one I cut earlier. This time last year maybe, we cut this one back, and can you see there's some lovely new shoots just starting to go. So I'm expecting by this time next year for there to be 2 or 3 new shoots on there. And I'm reliably informed by the person that I did this for that one of the tips that we cut off last year we've stuck into a pot and is rooted, and we started a new plant. It's like magic.